Hey guys, in this video we're going to be learning how to add integers using the algorithm. So you've already done chips and number lines, so you can kind of keep that in the back of your mind, but we want to kind of teach you the easiest way we've learned to do the algorithm. So there's kind of a little song that goes with row, row, row your boat. So I'll kind of go through the words and then I'll talk it for you. So the first one, it says same signs, add and keep. Be sure you're filling these on your notes. Different signs, subtract. Keep the sign of the larger number. Then you'll be exact. So kind of to the row, row, row your boat tune. Same signs, add and keep. Different signs, subtract. Keep the sign of the larger number, then you'll be exact. So when we talk about the larger number, we mean the larger absolute value, the larger distance from zero. So let's do some of these together, and then I'll have you do some on your own. So number one is negative 17 plus negative 9. So those are same signs, so we're going to add and keep. So it's going to be 17 plus 9, we get 26. And then keep, meaning keep the sign. So our answer is negative 26. For number two, it's negative 18 plus 30. So those are different signs. So we're going to subtract. Obviously, you put the bigger number, bigger absolute value on top. So this would be 30 minus 18. You're going to borrow over. You're going to get 12. So we got to check our sign. So keep the sign of the larger number. The larger absolute value is 30, so our answer is going to be positive 12. Number three, 22 plus negative 13. So those are different signs, so we're going to subtract. So 22 minus 13, we're going to borrow. We're going to get 9. Different signs, so keep the sign of the larger number, which is 22, so it's going to stay positive. Sorry about the bell. Number four is different signs again, so we're going to subtract. We're going to do 72 minus 55. So, but this time it's going to be negative because the 72 has the larger absolute value. Because if you compare the absolute value of 55 and the absolute value of negative 72, 72 is going to be greater. So our answer is going to be negative 17. Again, you can totally picture those chips and number lines and getting the same answer. I'm going to do number 5 with you, and then you'll do the rest on your own. Number 5, they're same signs, so we're going to add and keep. So 41 plus 8. 41 plus 8, there we go, gives us 49, and then keep the sign of negative. Go ahead and do 6, 7, and 8, and then be sure to check the key and attach your picture.